Hey guys, welcome back to the Lady M Beauty channel. It's your girl, Lady M here. Today, you already know by the title what time it is. We are going to be getting into this Boxycharm box. It's late. It's my August Luxe box. So don't worry, we're still going to do it. So if you're interested in seeing what all I got in my last month's Boxycharm box, then be sure to keep on watching. So let us open up the box. All right, so like I said, this is my August box. I'm late, but hey, better late than not. All right, so this is what the inside of my box is looking like. Super excited to see. I don't even see the little the insert thing is not even in here. Like what is going on? Boxycharm, y'all is slipping. Yeah, there's no insert in here, guys. Oh my god, that's not the norm. Okay, well, that doesn't stop the show, so let's just go ahead and jump right into this box. So the first thing I'm pulling out is something from Beauty Bakery. This is their breakfast in bed eyeshadow palette. Like, their names always like cracks me up. So that is what the packaging looks like. On the back, I'll show you what the back looks like. I just feel like you guys can't even really see. It's so bright. Okay. It's bright in here. It says, I've got my days where I like to just simply be comfy glam. I'm sure anyone can agree. Well, join me for breakfast in bed with these super pigmented shades that only enhances our natural beauty. Yeah, I can. Yeah, I call that comfy glam. Shall we? I like that. Comfy glam. Okay. So this is this is a cool tone palette. So this is gonna be your mauves, your purples, I think, lavenders. So those are the shades in G palette. Yeah, lots of mauve shades. Like, these are typically shades that I kind of live for. Like this shade particularly right here, it's a nice like matte. Oh my god, you guys can't see that shade because it's so light. Like, if I pull it back, you can probably see it a little bit better. And then this deep color right here is giving, yes. So not bad. It's up more on the cool tone. So I do feel like cool tones can be kind of tricky. So you definitely have to kind of like play around to get the right, like, you know, you don't look cray when you're wearing some pink tones. I think this is like a new palette. I wonder if this is like exclusive to just Boxycharm. We don't know. I don't know because I don't have my little paper, but I will be sure to insert that on the screen, the total value of this box. I will also let you guys know the price point for everything in the description box down below. So just open it up, check out the description box because everything will be listed in the description box. Also, if you would like to sign up for Boxycharm, there's also going to be a link in the description box that you can use to sign up. And also all the details, the prices, everything on Boxycharm is going to be listed in the description box. Again, this is the Luxe box. So I think instead of getting 5, I get 7 products. The Luxe box comes out 3 times, whereas the base box you're going to get every month. So this month or last month, I just got the Luxe box. I haven't got my September box yet. So be sure to come back for that video whenever I receive it. But in the meantime, you can check out my other Boxycharm unboxings because I have plenty of them. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right back into the video. The next product I have is some skincare. This is the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This one is a jam. I use the purple cleanser I don't know the name of it, but they have not the exfoliating cleanser, but just the regular one. I do love that one. Very nice. That one was a fave. I was using it faithfully for a while. I also have a couple of these that I have used interchangeable just to kind of give me a little bit more exfoliation. So I do like this product. So that's good that this is inside the box. This one is Intensive Triple Action Exfoliator with a proprietary blend of salicylic, lactate, and glycolic acid that polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation. It reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. So this is good. The key with this kind of cleanser is if your face is wet, you're gonna get less abrasiveness. Whereas if you apply it on dry skin, you're gonna get more of that active exfoliation. And it has like the 3 types of acids in here. So this is really, really good as well. So just be careful. Okay, so they came back. I have this already. I have gotten this in another box before. This is the Spongel Cherry Tonka Musk. I think this is a body wash infused buffer. And I think I had someone that had commented on the first time that I had received this, how good this was. And I must admit, I never tried it. I ended up giving it away. But this time it has musk, and I love fragrances that have musk. So I am going to actually try it out this time. So I'm going to take it out. Well, this is what the packaging looks like. So nice red packaging. Oh, it smells so good. And of course, the benefits of this, it's a buffer body wash. Dermatologist tested. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. Okay. It says place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out extra water after each use. So, smells so good. I'm definitely going to try it out this time. For real, for real. I don't know what the cost is, so I'll be sure to list that in the description. This is like a repeat box for real because I have gotten that before. And this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupachao Lip Butter. This is a tinted Cupachao lip butter. I don't know what shade this one is. Keep it Rio. Keep it Rio, okay? Ooh, this is pretty. Hold on. Let me show you what the box is. I think these are like 20 something bucks. Again, you probably can't see. So let's see. Can you see? Yeah. But the packaging white with the rose gold right here. So I feel like this is gonna be one of those really natural colors right there. So you can kind of see what it's looking like. Ow. So nice. Doesn't really have a smell. I thought it would have had a smell because this is Sol de Janeiro, for crying out. They're known for their amazing body sprays, the body wash, amazing. I used to be obsessed. Some of the body butters, obsessed. Okay, so this is the Mailing and Goats Recovery Treatment Oil. This is 4.25% essential oils. Our fast absorbing treatment oil is formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant rich oils that nourishes and hydrates to help address the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It says apply 5 to 7 drops on clean skin. Okay. This I think is also another like clean brand. I've never used any of their products before. This is just regular white packaging, which you're not going to see. But then this is a nice blue bottle with the writing on there. And it has obviously the dropper and then the oil. So it's like watery for like, you know, oil. But that's nice. And then of course I have my last product. Is that 6? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist. You gotta love Tarte's packaging. Okay, yeah, it's Tarte. Okay, so this is a setting spray from Tarte. I think it's like a fine mist. Like, ooh, I already have on setting spray, so I don't want to spray my face. Doesn't really have any scent to it. It says set makeup for 16 hours. Hold bottle 8 to 10 inches from face, close eyes, and mist to set. Okay, Tarte, again, another vegan brand. So that's also really, really nice. Like, I can't believe they didn't give me my little description paper. Such a shame. Now I'm always on the hunt for a new setting spray. So I'm definitely gonna be trying out this Tarte setting spray because I love a good setting spray. I have my faves that I use, so that's really easy to work into the rotation. And honestly, guys, I can't complain about the box. I feel like, again, we got some body care and mainly skincare in this box. Honestly, I have one makeup product and it's this eyeshadow palette, which is beautiful. If you're into those mauve shades, lavender shades, purples, then this is a pretty palette. Of course, it's Black owned, so hey, I can't complain. So that is the only makeup product in this box. So I am loving, well, not really. I have a setting spray as well. So 2 makeup products. I have a lip product, and then I have a cleanser, and then I have a body wash / sponge. So not bad. I'm not mad at this box at all. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. What did you receive in your box? Have you used any of these products before? I would love to hear your thoughts and what you guys think in the description box. So that's it, guys, for my Boxycharm box. I'm here for it. Not too bad. I think they did a good job this time. Definitely can wear the palette. Got me some good skincare products to try. So yeah, I'm here for it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Again, thanks for watching today's video. But before we go, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and lastly, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friend. All right, guys, bye. See you next time.